Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wonder about playing Clash of Clans with unlimited gems and gold, trying out custom troops, or experimenting without limits? Private servers offer a unique way to experience the game beyond its official boundaries. They let you explore completely new possibilities and have a lot of fun with friends in a different environment without affecting your main game progress. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the game in a fresh and exciting manner, offering a playful twist on your usual strategy. So, what exactly is a Clash of Clans private server? Think of it as a separate, fan-run version of the game, not connected to Supercell's official servers. These are usually hosted by third parties, offering modified gameplay experiences, often with custom features or unlimited resources. They operate independently, providing a distinct platform for players looking for something different. It's important to remember they are unofficial communities, built by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. Now, finding a good private server is crucial. You'll want to search online using terms like Clash of Clans iOS Private, Server 2025, or check dedicated gaming forums and communities. Always look for servers with positive reviews and active development, ensuring a stable and enjoyable experience. Verifying the server's reputation before downloading anything is a really smart step. Taking your time to research will help you find a safe and fun place to play. Once you've chosen a server, the installation usually involves downloading a custom game client or a profile. For iOS, this often means trusting a developer profile in your device settings or using a specific third-party app installer. Always follow the server's specific instructions very carefully, as steps can vary between different private servers. Ensuring you understand each step will lead to a smooth setup process. It's important to be meticulous and patient during this part of the process. Before diving in, remember that private servers are unofficial. While they offer a lot of fun, there are always potential risks, like security concerns or data privacy issues. Always download from trusted sources and understand that these servers might not always be stable or updated. They are for experimental fun, completely separate from your main game account. Enjoy exploring these unique versions of Clash of Clans responsibly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.